Hi folks, this has been with Pierre Driving School with our left and right again. We're gonna do a few left and right thing there for you to do while you're doing lesson, while you learn how to drive in general. All right. So while we're here, we're gonna do a few observations and see where we go from there. All right. This has been with Pierre Driving School. This lesson is in Brooklyn, New York. It's 9:42. Time is moving pretty decent with the traffic, and see where we go from there. As we drive in, we want to both hands on this steering wheel and pay attention to everything that coming our way. Okay. When you stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground. Otherwise, you'll be following too close, of which we don't, especially if you're doing road tests and driving in general. Because if you follow too close, and unlikely even somebody hit you in the back, you're gonna push from the car in front of you. Then that you hit that thing in front of you from the back, then it's not good. You know, it's foot for you, for them in the back, foot for you hitting you in the back. Then that's following too close would have prevent those problems to happen. All right. And like we always said, if you want anything in particular for us to cover for you here in this channel, put in the comment below, as that's where we got most of our question, most of our topic coming from. All right. Always forward planning all your moves, and you drive with both hands on the steering wheel with 10 and 3 with the two extremity, with the two thumbs hold the extremity of the steering wheel in the event if you're going left and right, so you don't have to take your hand off of the steering wheel to signal anything, you know. Yes. And if you guys already done, if you guys already done your road test already, if you have, let me know in the comment below how many times did you do your road test and where. How many times did you do your road test and where? All right. And we have something coming up here with this channel, so stay tuned for that. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, by the way, you need to you can subscribe and hit the notification squad, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. All right, because as we posted here at this channel every 3 times a week, every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. All right, so these are the 3 days that we have video coming out on this channel. All right, so anything in particular, let us know so we can do it for you. Post it all those 3 days, every 6 p.m. New York time. You know what I'm saying? Standard time, New York time here, Eastern time, which is the New York time. We posted here. Okay, everything driving related. If you have ever met before, I'm Ben William. I'm one of the instructors here at Pierre Driving School. Everything driving related, you can find in this channel here. If you're a new student, you're welcome. If you're a driver, you're welcome. If you're advanced driver, you're welcome as well, because we have a little bit of for everybody here. We got a little bit of for everybody. All right, so paying attention here. Driving requires a lot of responsibility. It is our duty to make sure that we're on top of the thing there for us to do, because any little mistake, anything can lead to something big. All right. The more aware you are, the better you can protect yourself. Because you and I not looking for trouble doesn't mean that trouble will not be coming our way. Now, can you imagine if we're looking for them here in New York City? We will get them by plenty. Okay? Say they're honking at me, can't. Why? Traffic in front of me, it's not moving. There's nothing I can do. But hey, I'm used to it by now. Signal all your attention here, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. Coming back the same way, signal back to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it back around. For the purpose of the road test, whatever you do contrary from going straight, you must signal all of your attention, all of it. Okay? These are basic driving tips all of us need to be on top of. Making a left turn, but I don't want to signal too early, because I will be making the turn on the lane here, of which I don't need. Okay? Look at this guy, he's going on all crazy around me. Left turn here for where? To the closest left lane. And as a student, what is the next thing for us to do? We need to move back to the lane we're supposed to be when it's safe and secure. All right? What lane would that be? Is the left lane. But this guy in front of me keep going on his thing. I don't know what he's doing. See, I'm signaling back here, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back to my right lane. See that? I could have kept the left lane, but as student driver, you must be on the right side all the time. And as you're doing your road test, the DMV examiner will not tell you to get on your right, will not tell you to get on your right lane. It's for you to know, as a student, you must keep to the right side. Otherwise, this problem fail to keep right and mark you some point. And in some instance, it can even fail you the test depending on where you're driving at. All right. in your state, let me know if the same thing applicable here. The guy in front of me is giving me a signal making a left turn here, which is wrong, because you cannot make the left turn from this lane here. But hey, like we said, they do whatever they want here, you see, which is wrong, because you cannot make no right turn here from the main road. That's totally unacceptable. All right, shoulder, I get back to my right lane. You guys see I'm putting in here. Signal all your attention while you're driving. Everything you do, contrary to going straight, you must signal every last one of it, okay? And Kings Highway here, that's Brooklyn, New York. One of the busy area too. You know, now it's got it dies out a little bit because school is in and office hours are in. So, but yeah. Paying good attention here, forward planning all my moves. Keep to the right side and drive within my speed limit. And we're gonna stop right over here. All right, we're not running the second line. There you go. All right, folks. You see the bus running the second line. We're not gonna do that. We know better. Okay? Yes. Anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. We cover everything driving here at this channel. If you're a beginner, advanced, or nervous student, you're welcome aboard. If you're in the New York area, you want us to help you, you can check pierrepauldraiving.com. And as you get everything there, we can help you to get on your driving game, because we understand that driving requires some responsibility, and the move that you make matters. Being on top of it is the best thing you can do. All right, because people drive all type of way, but you can make a difference the way that you're driving, because you cannot change the system, but you can change that the way you're driving, create it, make it an example for those people that are all around you. All right, so we've covered all type of driving related thing that you can think of, all in this channel. If you do see something that missing or something you want us to cover in particular, you put it in the comment below. We will help you with that. Now we're in one of the busiest area in New York City, right? We're on Kings Highway, Remsen, Linden, and we have here Wilmore. This is one of the busiest area here. We got almost 9 way of traffic here. All right, a lot of students get confused here, but knowing what you're doing, see, now it's clear. We check, verified, everything green, continue to go nice and smooth. All right, it's all about forward plannings. Okay, the minute that you forward planning your moves, it will be no issue. We kind of continue on that yellow line just like the bus keep it, but we know better. Okay, we know yellow light is not for student. We will not put ourselves in a way to do anything. Not only that, it's not going to be good for our road test, and also in general, you know. What about if we're running the light and the police were monitoring that intersection? What that's going to lead to? A moving violations. And in New York City here, moving violations come with a point system that can destroy your driving here for good, because each point, see, accident on the left side. Accident on the left side. Yep. Accident. Yes. 3 cars involved. All right. This is what we're discussing here. Nice and smooth, yes. Always forward planning your move. You guys can see it over there. On the left side, there was an accident here with 3 cars involvement. Okay? Always expecting unexpected. Do what you got to do. It's your best bet. The best thing you can do. Do what you have to do. Always aware of your surrounding. In New York City, you cannot be driving on your cell phone. You cannot be driving doing things that can deviate your focus from the driving, because the result you're not gonna like how the result may come out to be. All right, always stay here, always focus, pay attention to all of your surrounding. Before fully engage the accelerator, take a quick glance to see if nobody is closing in on you, nobody is creeping in on you. We do not want those things. Okay, Always paying attention. Anything you guys want us to cover, put in the comment below. Keeping it going here, nice and smooth. It ain't a rush. Always tell you that it ain't a rush. Nice and smooth. It ain't a rush. The faster you try to get done here, then the more you can get in trouble. The easier you can get in trouble. Can't follow me making the left to this, the one here. Making make sense to get a little bit tight here with this traffic. Guess what? We're gonna drive here and keep where? On our lane, the right side of the road. That's where we were from the get-go. That's where we're gonna continue to drive. In fact, student must be on the right side anyway. Not knowing, not paying attention, you can drift off on the left lane quick and keep there, of which will not be an issue if you're driving by yourself, but for the road test, it's a problem. Okay, we've always driving as if we were taking the road test, keeping our P's and Q's. You see, line come to a circle, keep any two, verify all the possibility where car can squeeze in. See how much I'm paying attention here? Covering my brake, so you're gonna come to a stop nice and smooth without any jerking. Whenever you hit the middle brake, whenever you hit the brake, take a quick glance in the mirror you to see if the traffic is coming behind you, especially when you're coming up to a light. If you're coming up to a light, you know you're not gonna take the light. Do not give the car behind you the wrong impression you may take the light, because that can lead to problem. Because as you're driving, you're leading the traffic in front of you, as well as the traffic in front of you is leading you. All right. Misleading the traffic can result to things that you do not want to happen. Okay, that's why you signal everything that you do the correct way and react up on that. Okay, react on up how we signaling. Why is the bus coming over? Then the mirror left, shoulder left, bring it back, because I want to come straight. Maybe the bus gonna come to a turn here. All right, you see how much I'm doing this? Because I want to keep straight, the bus is turning, signal my attention, and make sure I verify all my shoulders and continue to go straight. Now they turn when the bus signal that way, they're gonna make a right turn. They're gonna help back the entire traffic. Forward planning all your moves. All these guys are running the light. It's a little bit interested here. Okay, paying good attention here, see what's going on. Get back in the middle lane. That's why, because I wanted to go straight. Are they gonna let me through? I don't think so, but it's okay, because the car in front of me is undecided what they're doing. Falling back. So much I'm checking my mirrors and shoulders, because I want to keep straight here. What this guy is doing. Making a left turn at the light here, signal the turn. Okay. All the way out. Do not touch the yellow. Check my shoulder. Not in the bike lane, fall within my lane. This car will park here, paying attention here. See how much I'm checking those shoulders quick. And I'm gonna keep out, because if I go back in, I'm gonna have to go back out. So we don't need that. Keep out. Okay. Good. Keeping it out. Until I clear everybody, then I'm gonna bring it back in. Okay. A lot of double parking is very busy, but we manage. All right, folks, we are approaching the student destination. We're here picking up a student. As here in Brooklyn and Pierre Driving School, we do pick up and drop off, depending on the location that you live in. Okay. Like I said, if you need help in the Brooklyn area, check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. We're here at the student house, where time is valuable to us. We make sure that we always on time for our trainings. Okay. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. We put it over here. All right. Shoulder right. We're going to bring the car here. We're going to do a parking here. This guy is running back in between us. We want him to clear. Okay? Then we're going to line up more. Shama should line up more. You know what? Keep life easier. Let me pull it over here. All right. Shoulder right. I'm pulling it over here. Make life easy. Too much moving variable back there. Good. Let me write that better. Somebody going in. Okay. See? Check and make sure that I'm in reverse. Everything is in the condition that they're supposed to be. Okay. And I'm gonna roll up here. Okay. Samosh, always make sure that you're in the right gear selected. All right, folks. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. All right. Bye-bye.